Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the fashion coins to buy something from the Fashion Wave store in Heartopia during the winter frost season. Okay, let's get into it guys. Currently in Heartopia, there is a winter frost event and I'm going to go to the winter frost season event. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the Fashion Wave store. Okay, you can buy something from here guys, but you need fashion coins, and this is my balance right now. And to get the fashion coins, there will be some methods that you can try. The first one, you can sell something to Azour. Okay, you can select fashion wave related and click on sell items. You can sell items, for example this bird info card, and then she will give you the fashion coins. Or you can complete the quest from the winter frost season event. I'm going to go to this menu and click on the challenge or the quest right here. Okay, for example, I need to try the ice skating, and I will get 100 fashion coins. Okay, yeah, just like this. Just complete the challenge and then you will be able to get the the fashion coins. Okay. Okay guys, and that's how we can get the fashion coins in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.